Welcome to Karna Maths Academy. Today in this lecture, we are going to discuss exam question answer HSEB 2064, NEB HSEB 2064, question of 5A, Group A. Group A of 3 marks question. Question of 5A, evaluate the following using log tables. Cube root of 42.75 divided by 3.678 whole square. We have to evaluate the value of cube root 42.75 divided by 3.678 whole square by using log tables. Solution. We have to find the value of the given number by using log table. Let the given number is x. Let's suppose the given number as x. X is equal to cube root of 42.75 divided by 3.678 whole square. Or x is equal to cube root means power 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Cube root means power 1 by 3. So changing cube root into power. Then we get 42.75 whole power 1 by 3 divided by 3.678 whole square. Now in order to find the value of this number by using log table, we have to take log on both sides. We have to take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we get log x is equal to, so when we take log on both sides, that means log x is equal to 1 by 3, 42.75 power 1 by 3. According to the formula of logarithm, log mn is equal to n log m. So 1 by 3 into log 42.75. So this is according to the formula of logarithm. Log mn means n log m. First we have to write down the power, that means 1 by 3, then log, and m means base, that means 42.75. So by using the formula of logarithm, that means the value of log mn. Log mn is equal to n log m. n, that means 1 by 3, log, and m means we have to take the base, that means 42.75. Then divide. Divide means minus, because log m by n. Log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So when there is divide, according to the rule of logarithm, we have to take minus sign, because log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So already we have taken the logarithm of the first number, or we can say the logarithm of 42.75 power 1 by 3, which is 1 by 3 log 42.75 minus, divide means minus. Now the logarithm of 3.678 power 2. So this is also in the power form. So log mn. Log mn means n log m. So using the formula of logarithm, log mn means n log m. That means we have to write on power at first. Power is 2, so n means 2, n log m. Log means log, m means base. The base is 3.678. So logarithm of mn is n log m. That means we should write on the power, then log, then 3.768. That means we have to write on the base. So taking logarithm on both sides. So we get log x is equal to 1 by 3 log 42.75 minus 2 log 3.678. Or log x is equal to 1 by 3 log 42.75. The value of log 42.75 is equal to 1.6309 minus 2 into the value of logarithm 3.678. The value of log 3.678 is 0.5656. Or log x is equal to 1.6309 divided by 3. We get 0.5436 minus 2 into 0.5656. We get 1.1312. Now when we divide 1.6309 by 3, we get 0.5436. And when 0.5656 is multiplied by 2, we get 1.1312. The difference of the two numbers is equal to minus 0.5876. Therefore, the value of log x, that means logarithm of x, is equal to minus 0.5876. But we have to find the value of x. Now to find the value of x, now log will move to the right hand side. That means to find the value of x is equal to anti-logarithm of, when we shift log on the right hand side, then x will be equal to anti-logarithm of minus 0.5876. Now the value of anti-log of minus 0.5876 is equal to 0.2585. The value of x is equal to 0.2585. Therefore, the value of the number cube root 42.75 divided by 3.678 whole square by using the method of logarithm, we get 0.2585, which is the required answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Question number 5B, exam question answer, HSEB, NEB 2064, Group A. Question number 5B, find the limits of limit x tends to 0, 7x divided by root 3x plus 4 minus 2. Find the limits of limit x tends to 0, 7x divided by root 3x plus 4 minus 2. Solution. So we are given a function 7x divided by root 3x plus 4 minus 2, and we have to find the limit of this given function. To find the limit of the given function, we check whether the given function is defined at x is equal to 0 or not. So when we take the value of x is equal to 0, we get the value of the upper function, the value of first function will be 0. And again, when we take the value of x is equal to 0, then the value of second function will be also 3 into 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4. Root of 4 is 2, 2 minus 2, 0. That means we get the value of first function 0 and the value of second function 0. That means the value of the given function at x is equal to 0 is 0 by 0, which is called indeterminate form. That means the given function is undefined at the point x is equal to 0. But we have to find the value of the given function close to x is equal to 0. That means we have to find the limiting value of the given function close to 0. So we have to first establish, we have to make the function defined, because we cannot put the value of x 0, because the given function takes 0 by 0 form. When x is equal to 0, the given function takes 0 by 0 form. So let's make it defined. Now in order to make the given function defined, we have to multiply by the conjugate of denominator, because in the denominator the function is root 3x plus 4 minus 2. So the function is in the form of root, so we have to multiply by the conjugate and divide by the conjugate of denominator. The conjugate of root 3x plus 4 minus 2, the conjugate of root 3x plus 4 minus 2 is root 3x plus 4 plus 2. We have to change the sign between the two terms. That means we have to change the middle sign. For the to multiply by the conjugate, we have to change the sign of the middle. So root 3x plus 4 minus 2, conjugate is root 3x plus 4 plus 2, multiplying by the conjugate and dividing by the same conjugate. That means dividing by root 3x plus 4 plus 2. So we have to divide and multiply by the conjugate of denominator, equals to limit x tends to 0. So when we multiply and divide by the conjugate, then the second function, or we can say the denominator, will take the form of a square minus b square, root 3x plus 4 minus 2 into root 3x plus 4 plus 2. That means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. A square minus b square. By using the formula of a plus b into a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. Now a square and root will cancel. Then we get 3x plus 4 minus a square of 2 is 4. And the first function is 7x into root 3x plus 4 plus 2. So keeping the first function as it is. Now 3x plus 4 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 will cancel. Then we get 3x. That means limit x tends to 0. 7x into root 3x plus 4 plus 2 divided by 3x. So x will cancel. Then we get 7 into root 3x plus 4 plus 2 divided by 3. Equals to limit x tends to 0. 7 by 3 root 3x plus 4 plus 2. Now we'll put the value of x 0. Now after cancelling x, 0 by 0 form has been eliminated. That means we have removed 0 by 0 form. Now we can find the limit of the function. So let's put the value of x 0. Now we can easily put the value of x equal 0, because the function is already defined after cancelling x and x. So let's put the value of x is equal to 0. So when we put x value 0, then we get 3 into 0 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 3 equals to 7 into, now 3 plus 0 will be 3 into 0, 0 into something 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. The root of 4 is 2, so 2 plus 2 we get 4. 2 plus 2 will get 4, 7 into 4 by 3, that means 7 4 is 28, 28 by 3. So this is the limiting value of the given function. So we can say that when x tends to 0, then the limiting value of the function, that means limit x tends to 0, 7x by root 3x plus 4 minus 2 is equal to, the limiting value of the function is equal to 28 by 3, which is the required answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon and share it to friends to get daily new updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.